Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm good. And what about you?
I am fine, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Rania.
How old are you?
I'm 4 years old.
What is your father's name?
My father name is Feroz.
What is your mother's name?
My mother name is Alia.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
In which class do you read?
I read in KG class.
What is the name of your country?
My country name is Pakistan.
What is the name of your city?
It's Lahore.
Tell me your best colors names.
I like red, orange and blue.
Do you like cartoons? Tell me your favorite cartoons.
Yes, I like cartoons. And Mickey is my favorite one.
Tell me your favorite ice cream flavors.
I like vanilla.
What are your favorite fruits?
Apple, mango, banana and melon.
Now tell me your favorite food names.
Ice cream, candy, chocolate, milk, roti and chicken.
Tell me your favorite chocolate names.
I like Kit Kat.
Superb! You did a wonderful job.